What is going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John, and today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're talking wireless earbuds. Today I have in front of us the Jabra Elite 25E. These are a little bit different than the Jabra Elite 65E I reviewed about a month ago. They're a little bit less expensive. They're about $80. The Jabra Elite 65E are $200. So this is a really nice budget alternative pair of wireless earbuds. If you did like the Jabra Elite 65E but want something a little bit cheaper, this is the way to go. Guys, these are the Jabra Elite 25E. They have up to 8 hours of battery. They are wind and water resistant and come with a secure and comfortable fit. It looks to me that they have some buttons along the outside of the casing there around the neckband, which is really nice. I really like that feature. These look really simplistic and minimalistic. They do not have any unwanted buttons or any weird ergonomics going on. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing and a first impressions of these guys today. I want to point out a couple things that make these headphones a little bit less oriented towards running and sports. I think these are oriented towards sports, but it doesn't look like they have any ear hooks. So I'm a little bit skeptical about using these for sports, but let's go ahead and do an unboxing and a first impressions and see what they feel like on and see what they sound like. So we've got this beautiful gray and yellow box here. Superior sound for 145 years. Like I said, I didn't even know audio equipment has been around for that long, but yeah, Jabra has been around for about 145 years now, according to the marketing here and according to the packaging. So what you're getting is you're getting a very premium brand here. You're getting a premium unboxing experience, but what's really nice is when you go into Best Buy to pick these things up, you don't have to reach out to anyone for help. You can just walk right over and grab these off the shelf, which is really nice. They were only about 80 bucks, and so far they look like really nice headphones. Let's go ahead and get in. Do they unbox the same as the Jabra Elite 65E? I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Now we can slide our box right on out. So far, really premium unboxing experience. Jabra says, welcome to superior sound as you slide the box off there. So welcome to superior sound. We've got the headphones themselves right on top here, ready to go. And this simply lifts away for us to pull the headphones out. So let's go ahead and do that first. Let's go ahead and pull the earbuds out first. So far, I really am digging these for their minimalistic and very simplistic design. What's really cool is you can tell that the gray and yellow color scheme makes its way to the earbuds themselves here. So we've got some yellow on the inside of the earbud there, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but we've got some yellow on the inside of the earbud there, which is really cool. And of course, just by nature, the gray and black of the earbuds themselves is really akin to the box. In the box, you get the charging cable and you get some extra ear tips just in case they don't fit, which is really nice. But what you guys are here for is to see the first impressions and what they sound like. All right, guys, so I wasn't there. Unfortunately, okay, so I got them out of the box. They're around my neck. They're in my ear, but unfortunately they're not charged and they're not turning on right now. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to make a separate review for you guys. But right now, because this is just an unboxing and a first impressions, I just wanna fill you in that these are not currently on, but that they are extremely comfortable so far. I think these are a little more comfortable than the Plantronics Backbeat Fit 2100 wireless earbuds I reviewed 3 days ago, which you can pick up at Costco. Are they as nice as the Jabra Elite 65E? Well, probably not. I don't have these on and running right now, so it's hard for me to make a comparison between the two, and it's also hard for me to make a comparison in between audio quality between these and the Backbeat Fit 2100, which were similarly priced. But right now I'm going to tell you that these are a little bit more premium quality than the Backbeat Fit 2100, though I will say these are starting to slip out of my ear just a tad. just a tad, because they don't have any way of holding onto your ear on the outside or the inside, and I tend to have some awkward ears. So these are slipping out just a little bit, but they are very comfortable, and because they are super minimalistic and extremely simplistic, I really enjoy the idea of being able to turn my volume up and down on the neckband as well as play and pause. Also, what's really cool about this neckband is that it comes with a voice assistant feature. So just on the left-hand side here, you have the voice assistant and you have a really wide aperture microphone to capture all of the noise coming out of all the vocals coming out of your mouth. So expect these to be really good on calls and with listening to music and making voice commands to Siri or to the Google Assistant, whichever one you are using. Guys, this is a first impressions and an unboxing of the Jabra Elite 25E. I will do a separate review of the sound quality, but for now, I have to charge them. They are very comfortable, they're very simplistic, they're very minimalistic, they are water and wind resistant, and have up to 18 hours battery life, right? Yes, up to 18 hours of battery life on the packaging. Guys, you can pick these up for about $79.99. They are at Best Buy. Just walk right in, grab them off the shelf, look for the Jabra Elite 65E, and then look down and maybe to the left or right and you'll find these. Okay, so my name is John, the Jabra Elite 25E. My name is John. The Jabra Elite 25E are a big box good. You can pick them up at your local Best Buy. My name is John, and I will see you guys in the next video.